Hi lads, here is a new project, the biggest project I ever had here at McCarthy's. It's a header from the combine, V600. I saw bigger ones, but never done one. I was always doing headers from the harvesters, which are half size of this. Yeah, so the custom I wish is to actually restrain just the red roller, and I decided to take a video and just show you a little bit how it looks like before, how I do the blasting. It won't be long as camera is expensive and I like my camera, so I don't want to kill it, leave her in the dust. Yes, so here is a short video how it looks like. The access will be crazy, but see the paint is already flaking, but we are going to blast her up. Let me show you the media that we use also to blast it. So, like we are using glass to do this. We used to use copper, but copper was actually very expensive, but also it was taking a lot of time to recycle the stuff, to be able to reuse it. This one is probably 3 times cheaper, and we only use it once and bin, just to save time. Okay lads, wish me luck. Never done anything bigger, and hope it's gonna go well. Thanks for watching, thanks for all the views and lots of new subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more what we do here in this Irish farming garage. And greetings to all the Irish farmers and farmers around the world. We need to stop Bill Gates from pushing this printed shit, meat and all this genetically modified food. So here it is, guys, full day, and it's not done yet. Oh my god, amount of details here is absolutely crazy. I just want to show you a little bit of the quality. I was trying really my best to get everywhere, and we will see. I hope she won't get rusted in tomorrow. Yeah, that's the hard part to do, as there is a double wall here, so you have to think how to blast everything nicely. But I found a way, like always for everything. There is always a way. Look at this guys. I think it's nice. I am happy. Boss once said, as long as I'm happy, he's happy too. So yeah, everything was going actually nice and smoothly, except the middle part is absolutely the hardest part to do. I don't know why, but it's just like seems to be a different paint, or I don't know what's wrong with it. It's just not going as it should go. Yes, so that's day 1 done. Oh, I can't wait till I finish this. Hopefully I'll finish this tomorrow. At least well, the plan is to do at least primer tomorrow, as there is good few hours of blasting all these little parts that's standing out. Yeah, they all have to be blasted. So step by step, and we're slowly getting there. Thanks for watching, guys. So here it is, lads. That's some difference now. Yeah, the worst part, to be honest, if anyone needs advice, is double wall. You really have to think how to spray it properly. It was some So yeah, all these details actually took so much time, and 8 kinds, altogether 12 cans of paint, 4 cans of primer, and then 8 cans of paint over this one. But it looks nice. I am happy. Very ready. Here we go, all the way. I still didn't remove the masking as it could be still fresh, like it's actually end of the day. So altogether took 3.5 days to do this. 2 days of blasting. Well, I believe blasting should be faster, but my blaster broke down in the middle of work, so yeah, I had to fix the blaster in the meantime. I am very happy. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the 52 subscribers over the weekend. I couldn't believe. Finally, the channel is picking up. Thanks very much for every view, for every like, and for every subscriber. Yeah, so subscribe to see more of the action from the Irish garage. Well, I'm Polish, but I work in Irish garage. Thanks God. Thanks God we don't have to work with Polish, because they are crazy. Thank you guys, bye bye. Enjoy your day, to the next one.
Yeah.